Okay, buddy.
Good job. Talk to her. What's her name? Is this Oreo?
Yes.
Ow.
Rebel. On her way.
Hey.
Can you do that? You can?
Of course.
You can that? Of course I can. Show me. I can't even do it with one hand.
Yeah, show us something.
Ah, it falls flat.
Do it.
Falls flat.
Try it again.
I got some air up there. Why not that heavy?
Hey.
Hey.
Good job. Come on, Manny. All right, Dad. Hold on. Let's see that stuff we're up to. Come on, show what we're doing.
We're up to cut the fur off the sheep.
Yeah, we're out here sharing the sheep.
Why?
No, but for real, there is a, follow me. There's a plant over here. It's
There's
got-
a pokey thing on its neck. Very pokey.
This here, this right here. Right here. Some people call it a burr, I think. Some people call it a sticker stuck in the sheep's hair. Not okay. Not okay. So we're gonna cut it out. We noticed that they got these handy dandy shears here. Nice and cute. You ready for this? Dax has an Oreo in his hand. He is very ready. Let's do this.
You gonna eat it while you're cutting?
Dax, what's the plan with the Oreo?
Maybe
me to
we
cut
should
your
name
hair
it Oreo.
Cam said let's cut his hair.
Maybe we should name the sheep Oreo.
Man,
No!
I like it. I like it.
It's black and white like your
All
Oreo.
right, boys, go find the sheep. Come on, go find them.
In there. In there.
I think it's the one with the black head, not the
I
black
think
neck.
there's both.
All right, see if we can get them.
The one that has the black neck is behind the
Oh, my knees. We hold that? Come on now. Oh, don't. Oh. One just pooped on the other one's head. Watch out, Manny. See, I don't say I'm lying. That is a pebble. Oh, come on. Why are you shielding your buddy? All right, we want him. We want her. All right. It's going to be harder than it looks. Let's see. Y'all watch out of the front. Watch out. Let's see if we can get him out.
Daddy, lift it up like that way so they can run out.
Come on. Come on, sheep. Come on, sheep. We want that first one to run out. We'll get the other one. Sheep. Oh, don't. Oh, come. Oh. We don't want you. We want the other one.
Oop. You gonna flick that poop off the top?
Want to go back?
You gonna flick that poop off the top that your nose is smelling right now?
Come on, baby boy. Girl. Oh, it looks like you got two of them on you. You must have been using that to scratch yourself. All right. Thank you, sir.
There was a bigger one. Some came off.
Did it?
Oh no. The fur. It's okay, buddy.
Good job. Talk to her. What's her name? Is this Oreo?
Yes.
Ow.
Hey, why don't you get down there and pet her while he's doing that? Help her calm
She's
down.
trying to go back in her house.
Go pet her, boys.
Hold on.
It's okay. How do we gonna do this?
Talk to her, sweet. It's
Sheep, sheep, sheep.
It's okay. Sheep. It's okay.
No animals were harmed in the making of this film.
We don't need that one. We don't need that one. To cut off their fur.
These are not the best scissors for the job, but they're cute. Ain't that what we do?
The Christmas ones are sure.
Oh, Christmas, that's festive. Hey.
I think it should be Oreo and Noel.
What?
Name them Oreo and Noel.
Oreo and Noel.
That's kind of. Oh, we got one.
Oh, the one. We got one.
Look at that.
That's to the poop.
Fuzzball.
It sticks?
Hey.
It sticks to their farm,
No, how does this stick to that?
It doesn't.
They just balanced it.
And this not, this is really done hard to see.
Yeah.
Because they fell off.
I see you trying to make a run for it. Can you imagine shearing an entire sheep?
For sure it's not with paper scissors.
Well, definitely not. Look at that. You're looking fabulous. Come on. Where'd the other one go?
I've got it down.
Welcome back. Glad you're here. All right, on this episode of Doty Family Homestead. All right, let's go get some eggs.
Stop
Check
it.
out. No.
Yeah.
Record Cammy. Check out the chickies. Yesterday, egg production was up yesterday. Let's see if it continues today. Today, Mama is in the egg hut. Don't go that way. You don't need that angle. Get this. They don't do that angle. Get that angle right there. Mama's in the egg hut, which is a tight fit. Get on Mama. Let's see. How's it going, Mama? We got a lot and little.
It looks pretty good.
Don't do a dress, Mama.
Yes, sir.
Don't do dress eggs.
Alrighty, I'll take it out.
And now we got the final big crate for all the eggs.
Yeah.
And here's Carrie in the picture. No. Dad, ripping that stuff off.
21.
We got 21 eggs today.
Whoop, whoop.
I can hold those on top. We got 21 eggs today.
That's okay. Not terrible.
And now he's ripping the whole thing off right this second.
Second. Did you stop it, Mom?
No.
Get me? Huh? I don't know. We got a rooster that's trying to make babies out here.
Wait, what?
Dak said, wait, what?
Yes.
All right, this should not be an issue any longer. The sheep are safe. Cam, you want to put this in my pocket? No. Dax, grab the bucket for me.
Now we're going back home from the chickies. Yeah, we got eggs and we're done. Down by the bag and we're out. See ya. And everybody. We not go to the end of this. We're the family homestead. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Get them right. Yeah. And here I am, behind you, and we're walking up to the house.